Hi, my name is Patrick. This is to tell you about the online workshop for XAT. So I've already been twice ranked one in XAT, so fairly comfortable with the exam, how to crack it, how to go about it, etc. So this workshop will have 10 sessions of 1.5 hours of each, plus we'll have some extra practice sessions that will be there. So to help you practice for the examination. So sessions will cover all quant, DM, verbal. The focus will be shortcuts. Or basically approaches and shortcuts will be discussed. Strategy with regards to writing XAT. XAT paper is a little different from CAT and the other exam. How to write, what is the strategy, how to go about cracking. Let's start from 4th December. Okay, that's a start DW course. The fees for the workshop is 1900. We also have DM video, decision making video, which is 900. Combine both, you can purchase for 2700. You can also look at XAT mock, which is of 585. Right? You can go on the website prep.patrickhunt.com or call us on this number for additional information. So if you want information on that or guidance on it, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.